Welcome to the Summit Creations. My name is Kasime GK. This is an online AutoCAD training course, and I'll be taking you through the introduction to AutoCAD architecture. So before we proceed, what we will learn about? We're going to learn about the basic tools and graphic user interface of the application. We'll also touch on the functions and control keys. And lastly, we're going to learn about drawing and modifying with shortcut keys. So this brings us to our training objective, which is to show learners how to navigate through the AutoCAD architecture software easily when creating, drawing and drafting, like playing in the field. You get me? Now, what is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software developed by the company Autodesk. It allows you to draw and edit digital, 2D and 3D designs more quickly than you could by hand. This simply means that the mouse and keyboard came to replace your pencil and eraser, and the computer screen came to replace your drawing sheet. The AutoCAD software can be used for engineering and architectural purposes, 3D modeling, technical drawings, and many other options. There are various types of AutoCAD computer softwares, but I'll specifically use AutoCAD architecture throughout this course. Let us break down what we will learn in the upcoming videos. So in the first video, we'll talk about basic tools and graphic user interface, which are the essential features in AutoCAD. We'll first discuss about basic elements such as doors, walls, stairs, windows, and roof. We'll move on to graphic user interface like the design tool and properties tab, the drawing area, file menu, layout tabs. We'll also touch on categories like the build category, view, annotate, draw, modify, and layer category. In the second video content, we will discuss control and function keys, that is, managing the AutoCAD interface. We'll go through the major function keys and their uses, major control keys and their uses, and drafting settings and options which will aid us in drawing and drafting. Finally, we move to drawing and modifying, where we are going to learn about creating and editing in AutoCAD. Here, we'll first touch on the drawing command, where we'll be learning how to draw lines, circles, arcs, and rectangles. This is to help us be fluent when drawing floor plans in the future. Also, we'll touch on some essential modify commands such as copy, move, mirror, rotate, extend, and trim. These various modify commands will also help us in modifying and editing our drawings. Lastly, we are going to touch on some keyboard shortcut keys, which are essential in the drawing process. So, for our summary of key learnings, we already know that the course objective is to help learners to navigate through the AutoCAD architecture software easily when creating, drawing, and drafting. We're going to acquire some skills like drawing, modifying, and editing with the AutoCAD architecture application. Key takeaways are, after this course, learners will be familiar with features in the application. Now you'll be able to move around freely and understand all the features. Drawing with AutoCAD. Now you'll also be able to draw basic shapes and lines with the AutoCAD application. And lastly, knowledge acquisition. Learners will gain lifetime knowledge about the basic use of the software. Thank you for listening. Subscribe to the Summit Creations for more online AutoCAD content. Hit like and comment below if you have any question. In our next video, we'll discuss about basic tools and graphic user interface. See you there.